Hey everybody, it's Troy Manning. Sorry, I got a little excited about working on the old ECO-22, so I tore into it before I could start recording. So I already got the anode plate out of the transmitter. This is the big ring that goes on the final tube in that box that ends up being the amplifier for our FM signal. This is just a big tuned resonant cavity. In layman's terms, this is a subwoofer box for light. Right? We just have different lengths of cable act like our air. And we've got a lot of these trombone line stretchers like this one, that one, that's our loading, tuning, and then we got another one in here for our input, our grid input. We got filaments, we got all kinds of stuff. And today what we're trying to do is replace this ring. The spring on it ended up breaking on the last one. You can see there's a little spring around the outside here. They must have had some bad frequencies in there, so that spring roasted itself and shorted our plate to the grid, causing that burn in there and a few other burn marks and some oddball things, like this circular pattern in the middle of nowhere. So that's what I'll be tearing into today. I've already got, some of the hardware out, you can see, just to get that plate, and eventually this big white wafer so I can see what the heck I'm doing. I'm a short guy, and this thing's about 6 feet in the air. So I'll keep working and get back to you guys a little bit later.